friends, welcome back to my channel, Edu Myth. Join us today as we understand the basics of nutrition and health. Nutrition is a fundamental aspect of human health, influencing growth, development, and overall well-being. The science behind nutrition encompasses a wide range of disciplines, including biochemistry, physiology, and psychology. This video aims to explore the intricate relationship between nutrition and dieting, examining the biochemical processes involved in digestion and metabolism, the role of macronutrients and micronutrients, dietary patterns, the psychology of eating, and the impact of diet on health outcomes. Nutrients are substances that provide the body with the energy and materials necessary for growth, maintenance, and repair. They are typically categorized into two main groups, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients required in large amounts that provide energy. They include carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source. Carbohydrates can be classified into simple sugars and complex carbohydrates. Upon consumption, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is utilized by cells for energy, or stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles for later use. Proteins, composed of amino acids, are essential for the growth and repair of tissues. There are 20 amino acids, 9 of which are essential and must be obtained through diet. Proteins play a crucial role in enzyme production, hormone regulation, and immune function. Fats are concentrated sources of energy and are vital for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. They can be classified into saturated, unsaturated, and trans fats. Unsaturated fats are generally considered healthier options found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Micronutrients, although required in smaller amounts, are essential for various physiological functions. Vitamins are organic compounds crucial for metabolic processes. For example, vitamin C is important for collagen synthesis and immune function, while B vitamins play roles in energy metabolism. Inorganic elements such as calcium, potassium, and iron are vital for bone health, fluid balance, and oxygen transport in the blood. The human digestive system is designed to break down food into its constituent nutrients, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream for use by the body. Nutrient absorption occurs primarily in the small intestine through several mechanisms. Passive diffusion allows nutrients to move from an area of higher concentration to one of lower concentration without the use of energy. For example, water and some small lipids can passively diffuse across the intestinal membrane. Facilitated diffusion involves specific carrier proteins that help transport certain nutrients across cell membranes. For instance, glucose utilizes a transporter protein to enter intestinal cells without requiring energy. Active transport requires energy to move nutrients against their concentration gradient. An example is the sodium-potassium pump, which maintains cellular ion balance and is critical for nutrient absorption. In some cases, cells can engulf larger molecules or particles by wrapping around them with their membrane, allowing for the absorption of larger substances that cannot pass through the membrane otherwise. These mechanisms ensure that essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals are efficiently absorbed and made available for metabolic processes. Metabolism encompasses all biochemical reactions that occur within living organisms to maintain life. It can be categorized into two main processes, catabolism and anabolism. Catabolism involves breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones to release energy. For instance, during glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate, yielding ATP and NADH. This process is crucial for providing energy to cells. Anabolism refers to the synthesis of complex molecules from simpler ones. For example, amino acids are combined to form proteins that are essential for cellular structure and function. Metabolism is intricately linked to energy balance, the relationship between energy intake and energy expenditure. The body's metabolic rate can be influenced by factors such as age, sex, muscle mass, physical activity level, and hormonal regulation. Hormones play a pivotal role in regulating metabolism and appetite. Key hormones involved in these processes include insulin, produced by the pancreas in response to rising blood glucose levels after eating, which facilitates the uptake of glucose by cells for energy or storage as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Glucagon works antagonistically to insulin. When blood sugar levels drop, glucagon stimulates the liver to release glucose into the bloodstream by promoting glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Leptin, secreted by adipose tissue, signals satiety to the brain and helps regulate energy balance by inhibiting hunger. Higher body fat levels lead to increased leptin production. However, in some individuals, leptin resistance can occur, leading to continued hunger despite adequate fat stores. Ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, is produced in the stomach and stimulates appetite. Levels rise before meals and fall after eating. While a balanced diet should ideally provide all necessary nutrients, certain populations may benefit from dietary supplements. Specific groups, such as pregnant women, older adults, or individuals with dietary restrictions, might need supplements to prevent deficiencies. Some herbal products claim health benefits. However, caution is advised due to potential interactions with medications or side effects. Consulting healthcare professionals before starting any supplement regimen is crucial. Eating behavior is influenced by various psychological factors that can affect food choices and consumption patterns. Many people eat in response to emotions rather than hunger cues. Stress, sadness, or boredom can trigger cravings for comfort foods high in sugar or fat. This behavior can lead to overeating and weight gain over time. Mindful eating encourages individuals to focus on the eating experience, paying attention to hunger cues, savoring flavors, and recognizing satiety signals. Mindful eating can help reduce emotional eating and promote healthier food choices. Cultural norms and peer behaviors significantly impact dietary choices. For instance, communal meals may encourage larger portion sizes or specific food preferences based on social settings. Recognizing these psychological influences allows individuals to develop healthier relationships with food and make conscious decisions about their eating habits. Effective weight management requires a comprehensive approach that combines dietary modifications with behavioral changes. To lose weight effectively, individuals must consume fewer calories than they expend. This can be achieved through portion control, selecting lower-calorie foods, or increasing physical activity levels. Keeping a food diary can help track intake and identify patterns, contributing to weight gain or loss. Setting SMART goals enhances motivation and accountability in achieving weight-related objectives. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Recommendations suggest at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise weekly combined with strength training exercises twice a week to build muscle mass and boost metabolism. Engaging in support groups or counseling can provide encouragement and motivation during weight loss journeys. Sharing experiences with others facing similar challenges fosters accountability and emotional support. The science behind nutrition is vast and multifaceted. By understanding nutrients' roles in health and the physiological processes involved in digestion and metabolism, individuals can make informed dietary choices that enhance their well-being. As research continues to evolve in this field, it becomes increasingly clear that nutrition is not merely about food choices, but encompasses a holistic approach to health, involving psychological factors and lifestyle habits. Thank you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for latest updates.